Breezy Cloud is a secure, cloud-based platform that works seamlessly with Breezy Blue to enhance disinfection workflows and provide real-time tracking and automation. To set up your Breezy Cloud account, visit cloud.breezymed.com and select Create an Account. After entering your company email, creating a password, and agreeing to terms of service, request an access code. Use the code you received in your email to verify your account. Create a name for your site, and you are ready to begin using Breezy Cloud. By clicking on the gear in the top right of the screen, you can enable email notifications for summaries of site activity. You can also enter your phone number for text notifications. In the Site Settings and Users tab, you can edit your site name, add new users, and view your subscription status. To add a new user, simply enter their email, select their permissions, then press Add User. The new user will receive an invite email that allows them to complete their account creation. Under the Home tab, you can see a monthly overview of how many times Breezy Blue is fogged, how much disinfectant has been used, the size of the rooms that have been fogged, and what time of day fog events occurred. Under the Devices tab, you can check what devices you have on your site, the last reported Breezy Blue tank levels, when the devices were last connected, and you can also remove devices from your site if they are no longer used. You can unlock more features by purchasing a subscription. There are 2 subscription tiers for Breezy Cloud, Basic and Advanced. If you have Basic tier, by pressing the View Logs button on the home screen, you can view each individual fog event, see the tank levels, protocol used, the time of the fogging event, the results, and much more. You can also apply filters too. For example, view the logs of the fogging events done by only one specific Breezy Blue unit. With Basic tier, you can also select what types of email and text notifications you would like to receive. For example, you can decide to receive notifications when a Breezy Blue device needs to be refilled. If you would like to upgrade your cloud site from free or basic to advanced, please contact Breezy Med. Advanced tier adds location services that provide information on where fog events occurred and what assets were disinfected. Assets disinfected shows if any assets, such as wheelchairs, have been disinfected. If this site had any assets added, they would be shown here. The Locations Disinfected tab shows the last time a room was disinfected and whether a Breezy spot is installed. This data is shown in the View Logs and Home pages if applicable.